You know, if we are we are what we think we are. So what is inside us is outside. Well, if that's what you will believe. Uh, they say, right, that change it starts within you. But if that's what it is true, then I was focused for so many years on the self-development. But why would you think is something wrong with you? Why would you like to progress? I feel like the more I'm focusing on self-development, the more stressful I become. What do you think?